Hi, boys and girls. So today I'm going to be showing you how to subtract on an open number line. So when we are subtracting on an open number line, we're actually going to be counting up instead of taking away. So let's look at this example first so you know how to solve it on your own. Today we are going to be solving a problem where we have 83 minus 58. Okay, we need to find the difference between these two numbers. Or we're really trying to find out how many numbers are between 58 and 83. So when we are counting up on an open number line, we are going to draw our number line if it's not provided for you. And we are going to start with the lower number, the smaller number first. So that's the number we are jumping off from. Now, if we start with the lower number 58, we need to see how many numbers are between 58 and 83. So when I have the number 58 first, I'm looking at 58. I see that there's a number in the tens place and I see there's a number in the ones place. I want to make this number friendly and easier for myself to add. That way I don't have to worry so much about all of the numbers in the ones place. So what number is closest to 58 that is friendlier to work with? I know, it's 60. So, how many jumps will I have to take from 58 to get to 60? Let's see. I'm going to put 58 in my head and I'm going to count up. 59, 60. I have to do 2 jumps. So, I'm going to do plus 2. And we get from 58, we add 2 and we get 60. Now, I'm looking at 60. I need to get to 83. I know I could count by ones, I could count by twos, I could count by fives, I could count by tens. A 10 jump would get me closer to 83. So let me do plus 10. When we are adding 10 to a number that doesn't have anything in the ones place, we're only changing the number in the tens place. So 60 plus 10 is 70. Nothing else changes in the ones place because there's a 0 in the ones place in both spots. Now I'm getting closer to 83. I'm going to take one more 10 jump. So 70 plus 10 brings me to 80. Now I'm very close to 83. I don't know how many jumps I'm going to take right now, but I could look at both numbers. I have 80 and I need to get up to 83. Well, the number in the tens place does not change. It's both an 8. So I can't add a 10. If I added a 10, the number in the tens place is going to be a 9, and that's too high. Okay, if I add a 5, the number in the ones place is going to go up, but that's going up by too much. So let me keep 80 in my head and let me count up till I get till 83. 81, 82, 83. I have to jump 3 more spots. Now, I finally reached 83 from 58, but I'm not done yet. I now have to add all of my jumps up to get my answer. So if I'm adding my jumps, I'm going to start with the bigger numbers, 10 plus 10, and then I have 3 and I have 2. Now remember, when I'm adding 10 plus 10, 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 I know is 5, 0 and 0. So I don't have to regroup here because remember, you only regroup when the number in the ones place is greater than 9. There's nothing to regroup in the ones column. Then I come over to the tens column. 1 plus 1 I know is 2. So this is my final answer. 25. There are 25 numbers between 58 and 83. That is the difference. So if I need to find out what 83 minus 58 is, I could add up on an open number line to get my final answer. Hope this is clear, guys.